Hey, what's up guys? I'm here insulating my pigeon peas plant, the root of the pigeon peas plant, the body of the pigeon peas plant. This pigeon peas, as you see, it's already pushing blooms. So the weather, the frost, maybe in like another 20 to 30 days. But this plant, I want to save this plant. Even though I ain't get the bloom this year, I want to save this plant. So what I'm doing here, I'm trying to protect this plant. Its root. If you look down inside, I already framed this box around it. You know, you put up 3 sides first, then you put it around the plant, then you add in the other side because you wouldn't able to get it over the plant. So you got to put up 3 sides, and then you add in this side. Okay, make it strong and nice. So down in here, as you can see, we have pine leaf, we have oak leaf down inside there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fold this box right up. As you see, also down to the bottom, I already start to put leaf. So I'm gonna put the leaf right around the box. After that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a plastic. I'm gonna take a plastic like this, and I'm gonna wrap it right around the box. So it's gonna kind of keep all the air from going in and mess with the root of the plant, because the root of the plant is the life of the plant. So you want to protect that. Okay, so I'm trying to save this plant because you're in zone 8, 7B zone 8. You can save the plant, but you got to put in the plant. As you see, it have flowers. It's definitely blooming. It's have flowers coming in, but it's late and I don't believe it's going to produce any peas, or the frost soon come, which I'm going to put a frost cloth over it just to protect it, to see. But I want to save it, so this is what I'm doing. I build a box frame and I'm folding it up with pine leaf. Then I'm going to take that plastic bag and wrap it around it, seal up all the air from all these air going through, protect the bottom of it, go right around, and hope that will work. All right, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.